Yeah, hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, very warm hello and very good afternoon to you also. So, how are you, Shika?
Yes, I am doing great.
You're doing great. Okay, so I
How
think,
about
yeah, I'm also doing great and I'm also very fine. Thank you for asking. And I think we are meeting for the first time
yeah,
right now.
yes,
And this is your demo session.
yes,
Yeah, so I think now I should introduce myself because we are meeting for the first time.
yeah.
So, Shikha, my name is Atul and I was born and brought up in Jharkhand, and right now I'm in Mumbai doing my BCom in banking and finance. All right, so that was about my introduction. Can you introduce yourself?
Definitely. So I'm Sita Singh, as you know, and I'm from UP. And
Okay,
I have completed my graduation in science. And about of graduation, I have also done diploma in education. So right now I'm working as a primary teacher. So that's all.
okay, fine. So you're from UP, right?
Yes, I'm from.
And I'm from Jharkhand. I think so. We are neighbors, right? We are sharing the boundary right now.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so now you're a teacher at primary. Yeah, I mean in primary, right?
Yes, right.
So which subject do you teach?
So in primary, we have to teach all subject because not sufficient teacher, so we have to teach all subject. And basically, I told so I completed my graduation in science, so I was a science student.
Okay, fine. That was, whenever I talk to, a teacher, it feels very nice, because they are very much, experienced and all. So yeah. Okay. Anyhow, before I proceed, I would like to ask you two things. All right.
Okay,
Can I?
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So my first question to you is, why do you want to learn English? Like, is there any specific reason for that?
No, I'm just passionate about this. I like to communicate in English, I can say.
Yeah.
So that's how I'm learning. There is no any special reason for that, like interview and for any placement. Not like that. I'm learning for my improvement. Because I like it. That's all.
Okay, I got it. No, my that was a very nice reason. Okay, so my now second question: where do you want me to correct you? Do you want me to correct you at the end or in between itself? Your
No, I
mistakes.
think between is also okay because that time, at the same time I think I would be able to correct myself.
Yeah, yeah, it's your wish. Like I thought that when I will correct you in between, then you might lose your flow. But yeah, it's up to you. You know what you will say that only I will do. So yeah, if you want in between, then yeah, fine. In between we can. Okay.
It's okay.
So do you know the topic for the day?
No, no, I don't. I didn't see any topic.
Okay. So the topic for the day is social media. So do you want to talk about this topic or you have something else to talk about? It's your wish.
No, we can talk about this topic. Social
Okay.
media. Yeah,
Yeah.
because this is modern era, so social media, everyone is using this. And I also on this platform, and by this social media, we are here. We are communicating here. So this is obviously, I think, good part. But
Yeah.
yes, disadvantage also because everything have some advantage and some disadvantage. So like that,
True.
social media have also
Very
some
true.
disadvantage, and I think that's up to you how you are using that media. So if you are using for your improvement, for your yeah, benefit, so it's okay. And otherwise, there is many negativity also.
True. So yeah, I think then we should start with this topic, right? So you know what? I have few questions with me, like 4 to 5 questions, and then I'm gonna ask you one by one. Fine now?
Okay.
Okay. So my first question to you is, what do you think about social media? Like, what is the first thing which comes in your mind when when you think about this word social media?
Yes. When I think about social media, then in my mind only some apps like
Okay.
WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta. These are comes in mind first.
Yeah. Okay.
Now,
So this is the first thing which strikes in your mind. Yeah. And you know what? If you will ask me this question, then I would like to tell you that social media is something which helps you to communicate, to talk with each other, right? The person who is sitting 90 miles or 90 kilometers away, or you know or any other corner of the world. So I think it's very helpful, right? And I totally
Yeah.
agree with you. So like whatever you have said, different apps, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and all, you know.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and
So
you know what? Yeah, tell me.
no, no, continue. Go ahead.
Continue. Okay, you know what, Shika, you can interrupt me, in between. Like if you want to say something, you can interrupt me, right? Okay, now.
No.
Yeah. So you know what? I was saying that when we were in fifth grade or seventh grade, we never used to have this thing, right? We never had this opportunity to have the social media and all, because now, because in today's generation, what the thing is, a 5-year-old kid or 10-year-old kid, everyone is in social media.
Right.
They're using and they're having their own accounts and all. So do you
Right.
feel jealous and all?
No, I'm not feeling jealous because whatever we were, so that time, not only me, every guy and every child have the same problem. So why we jealous nowadays, child? Okay, it's according to the time updation of time. So now I have no idea.
Yeah, true, very true. We should not be jealous, right?
No.
Because you know what, in upcoming future, there might be some things, which the next generation is gonna have and all. So yeah, it's the part of time. Okay. Anyways, let's come back to our topic.
Mhm.
Uh, what is the role, what is the role of social media in our education? What do you think about that?
So I'm thinking like that. Nowadays, social media playing most important role in education because the COVID situation we are seeing. So every private and government, every school is taking online classes. So the I can say,
Yes.
yeah, obviously it is seen that how important role of social media nowadays. And a part of this younger for youth, it's also useful. Like us, if we want to learn something, then there is many platform we can learn by that. That's all. That's in my mind.
Okay, yeah. Same, same goes in my mind also, because in today's generation, social media is very important. As you have already highlighted the points that most of the people, they are taking online classes via Zoom, through MS Teams and all, by Google Meet and all. So yeah, it's very important thing, right? So if I ask you, can you imagine a world without social media? Suppose there is no WhatsApp, there is no Instagram, there is no nothing, blank, शून्य बटा शून्य, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine, and I think I would had something like that. In our childhood, we were faced that time there was no any social media, and we were definitely completely free from these, and we had no any idea like this app. So I can imagine, just apparently, I can imagine, and what there is also, if social media, because right now this is the need, okay, now need, but that time no need was, so we were so happy, and for I think for everything, for every moment we enjoy a lot by that time also without any social media. But nowadays I think it is like a need.
Yeah, very true. It's like a basic need and all. So if I ask you right now, right now at the current situation, can you live without social media for 1 year or for 2 years?
I think no. No.
Yeah, it's very. Yeah, tell me.
I think it's crucial nowadays. It is crucial because
Yeah.
we every minute things we have to inform by social media. We have to use WhatsApp for giving any information. So I
Yeah,
think not possible nowadays.
it is very important. And like earlier people used to, they used to go to banks and then they used to withdraw their money. But now you have this Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, and all,
I,
right?
yeah,
Just go out and just scan the QR code and then you are able to pay them, and your amount and all. So yeah,
yeah,
the
it's
time has changed. Yeah. Tell me.
yeah. I'm saying it's very convenient right now. We are using very easily. It's also advantage of this social media.
And I think we are also becoming very lazy. Don't you think that?
Yeah, yeah. This is we can say a disadvantage of social media.
Yeah, totally. Because earlier we used to go, and then when we used to book the, that tickets for our trains and all, we used to wait in a very long queue or in a very long line. But now it's all like, you can do it by this websites and all. So
Without
yeah, it is
any
more
effort,
convenient.
we are, I think, finding result nowadays.
Yeah, very true.
Yes, we are
Yeah.
finding.
Pardon?
Yeah, yeah, I'm saying without any effort, we are finding many things. So yeah, definitely we are becoming a lazy person.
Yeah, true. Okay, so moving on to the third question.
Okay.
Are social media sites productivity killers? Do you think that?
Oh, pardon, I
Do
can't
you
get.
want me to explain this question in a bit easier way? Okay, I will. Okay, let's take an example of Instagram. So there you have reels, memes, and all, friends to chat. So do you
Yes.
think that it's just a time pass because it takes most of our time? Just we are just keeps on scrolling and all, and chatting and typing and all. So do you think that somehow it
Yes.
harms us? Yeah, tell me.
Sometimes it's also for your fun and also
Yeah,
for time, yeah, waste of time you can say, and also for your change, mood change. If you wanna change your mood, then you can use it.
yeah.
So, yeah, I said it's up to us how can we are using this.
Yeah, true. So, if I ask you like how many hours a day do you use social media? For 5 hours, for 10 hours, or for how many hours?
So yeah, there is no any exact figure out in my mind. So, but I think 2 3 hours maybe. I had no idea. Maybe less than someday I didn't use. Means I don't use someday. So,
Yeah. Okay, fine. I think same goes for me also. Like, it depends. If I'm free, then I will use it for whole
yeah,
day. Sometimes
right.
I will go 12, 15 hours a day, which is too much, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the thing. And what do you think about online job?
Online. Yes. It's okay. I have heard many things about that. It is means yeah, authentic and trustful. But in my point of view, I can't believe. I have no belief.
Okay, so you don't like so online earning and all?
No, I'm not saying I don't like, but still I had some, doubts for that. So,
Okay, yeah, I got it. That maybe that company is legal or not. Will he
yeah,
give the payments and
that's
all or not?
something.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So that is all about the topic, and we are done with our topic for the day. All right. So
Yes.
now just tell me, Shikha, that if
Yeah.
you have anything to ask me, like any doubts, or should I give you the feedback?
Yeah, you can give me feedback. You can give me
Okay,
feedback.
you don't have any more questions?
No, 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 right now.
Yeah. No,
I
no, it's
don't.
fine. It's fine. I can give you the feedback. Okay. So I have noticed, two, 3 points. The first one is that you said Instagram and all, they are mood change, but we should use they are mood changers because
Yeah.
there are many and mood changes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mood change is a
Right.
very similar thing, but when you're talking about social media, then obviously it's a plural thing. So mood changer,
Right.
right?
Right.
So this was the
Okay.
first mistake which I have noticed. And second, you said that you use for sometimes you use it for 2 3 hour, but you should say for 2 3 hours, right?
Uh, yeah.
You
Yes.
should use you should use
Right.
the letter S, hours.
Every time we abbreviate the word.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It happens. We all are humans and making mistakes. Because you know what? The more mistakes we will make, the more things we will learn. So we should always
Right.
keep on making mistakes. This is what my perspective towards mistake is. Yeah. So again, because we have 5 minutes left for the session to end. So you have any doubt or no?
No, I think I should leave and we will
No, no,
come.
no, 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 no. We have 5 minutes. Okay. So I think you are also a YouTuber, right?
Yeah, yeah. I started recently, not a.
I
Yeah.
see. So just tell me something about your YouTube journey. Like, how did you start your journey and all?
I have really just started, and this is only 1 month I have been here. And so, yeah, I uploaded some video related to conversation. So, because I'm interested in conversation, so I would like to upload video like this. And I'm
Okay.
not doing nothing, any special like that, grammar question.
Okay. Right. So, are you going to upload the? You can talk to him if you want.
Wait, wait. Just a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Please go.
So, are you going to upload this video on your channel or no?
Yeah. If you if you're busy, then otherwise I'm not.
No, no. I have no issues with that. You can upload this video wherever you want. Just ask to Mr. Vikash. Before uploading the video, you can just take his permission. All right,
Yeah,
now,
definitely.
and then he will edit the video, or you can edit the video and then you can upload it, right? So I have no issues
Oh,
with that thing. All right. So
okay.
I think I have given you the feedback, and now I think it's time for my feedback. So did you like the session?
Yeah, definitely. I like you. And
Like it?
and I didn't expect like that. I thought, okay, just check how this platform. This is really awesome for me. Nice
Yeah.
communication.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks a lot for your compliment. And you know what? If you want to take more sessions, then I think you have to take the paid thing. So that is up to you. And
Okay.
it was very nice talking to you. And I hope that we'll meet in the next session. Again, I'm gonna ask you. Again, I'm
Okay.
gonna ask this question. Do you have any other questions? Because again, we have 2 minutes left for the session to end.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me, yeah, something, maybe some tips for English improvement?
Okay, some tips for English. Okay, so you know what? This 2 or 3 tips which are very common. Read newspapers, watch English movies, and all that stuff. This to every tutor will recommend you. They will suggest you. And for me, I think it's very boring because I don't like reading newspapers and all. Do you like reading newspapers? Same there, no? Same there, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very boring,
That's
man.
why I always used to ask people, then give me some tips because I want some different, not like the same.
Yeah, yeah. So the tip which I would like to suggest you is to think in English. You know, suppose tomorrow you're going to Bodh Gaya, right? So you will think that tomorrow I'm going to Bodh Gaya, I will book a Ola there and all. So that you will think in Hindi, but try to switch that thing into English, and then you will improve at a very faster rate. Because you know what, when you're thinking in English now, your mind will get used to it, and when your mind is used to it, automatically it will connect to your tongue. Then you don't have to translate. Then you don't have to think a lot while having the conversation. So I
Okay.
think thinking in English is a very important factor. This is what I would like to recommend you. Because
I'm I'm
yeah,
doing these things. I'm doing most of time, but yeah, if sometime I stuck like sometime I had no backups. I thought okay, I should. Then I search on Google what is the meaning. Yeah,
yeah.
I also did like that something.
Google Baba ki like jai hai na. Google has the answer for everything. He's like a Baba to us. Yeah.
Yes,
So that's it for today. And I hope so it was very nice talking to you. And I hope that we'll meet in the next session. All right.
yeah,
So
definitely.
till then now, goodbye and take care.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.